How Russia has implemented the cope cage on top of their tanks keeps adding very little value. While slat or net armor can add protection, Russia's improvised solution on top, covering some of the tank, offers very little value. As seen time over time, and in this video, where a Ukrainian drone operator sees possibly an abandoned T-80BV with a cope cage. The hatch of the hull is open, leaving the skillful drone operator to be able to take out the tank with an F1 anti-personnel grenade. As the drop is perfect, the grenade causes an internal fire, causing the tank to turn into scrap metal, showing once again the limited protection or the situation the cope cage adds value. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.